Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I'm here on Bobbi Boss YouTube channel, guys, and I do want to show you guys how to install these Nu Locs Spring twists. Again, my name is Sierra Love and I'm the Bobbi Boss gal. So one thing that I do love about these twists is that they come in 3 different lengths: 14, 18, and 26 inch. They have 13 different colors, so you have like different varieties to choose from. I also do want to show you guys quickly how I install these spring twists. So first I do want to go ahead and show you guys my pattern. I left this part out so that I can show you guys how I do the parting and the sectioning of the hair. In the front I do have individuals. So these are the twists, as you guys can see. They do have a loop at the top of it, and it's pretty wide, so it's good for beginners if you guys don't know how to install it. I do want to go ahead and show you guys how to install it. At the end they do have this pretty curl right here, and I think it's super pretty, and then the color is different than the top part, so that's a plus. So turning around, guys, you are going to need a crochet needle. I'm going to show you guys how I install it really quickly. So I have my individual plait here. As you guys can see, I'm going to take the crochet needle. Do not forget to go ahead and put your finger inside the loop that it comes with, and I'm going to push it. Let me turn to the side. I'm going to push the crochet needle from the bottom into the braid. I'm going to take the loop. I'm going to place it over the hook. Close it. And I'm going to go ahead and pull it through. Again, guys, do not forget to go ahead and open the hook, pull the rest of it, twist through the hole, and pull to tighten it, and it should look just like this. So I do want to show you guys how to hide your braid inside the spring twist. So we're going to go ahead and take the spring twist. I'm going to insert the crochet needle. Oh my gosh, I know you guys hear the rain, just ignore it. It's a rainy day, it's just, you know. So I'm going to go ahead and insert the crochet needle through the spring twist, and take your time when you're doing this because we are trying to hide the braid. Let me show you guys. Once you get to the top, you're going to go ahead and take the end of your natural hair, the braid, and you're going to put it inside the hook. You're going to close it, and you're going to pull your hair through the spring twist. Once you have it through, you still have a little end. I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing that I just did to the top portion. So I'm going to take the crochet needle, go through the spring twist, take the end of your natural hair, place it on the hook, and pull it through the twist. So once you're done, you'll have something that looks similar to this, and it's very sturdy, guys, as you guys can see, and it looks so natural. I mean, this looks just like my natural hair. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how I do the parting side on this side. And I do want to show you guys a different way you can do it. Just in case you don't know how to braid, I do want to go ahead and show you guys a different style. So I'm going to go ahead and part it into a section, as you guys can see. And I'm going to part that down the middle. So we just have 2 parts here. So taking my edge control, I do want to go ahead and define my parts. Move this here out of the way. So I'm spreading the edge control around my hair so that I can apply the rubber band. So we're gonna apply the rubber band to this section. And I do think the rubber band method is a little bit more easier when it comes to the spring twist, because my natural hair will twist right with the spring twist, and I do want to show you guys how I do that. So you can wrap the rubber band a few times, maybe 4 or 5 times, and then we're going to take the spring twist, and again opening up the twist, I'm going to go ahead and place the crochet needle under my hair. I'm going to grab the spring twist, place it on the hook. And pull it through the rubber band. We're going to open up it, pull the twist and your natural hair through the loop and pull it down. Now another way, guys, like I said, if you don't know how to braid, I'm going to just go ahead and apply some gel to my natural hair, and I'm going to wrap it in between the twists. So you can unravel these twists, they're very flexible again, and I'm just going to go ahead and wrap it with my natural hair to kind of blend it in with the twist. Taking a little bit more gel for the ends of my hair, and I'm just going to wrap it around. So this is a beginner-friendly way to style the twist, and it blends right in with the hair. I think it's good for beginners, of course, and it looks so natural. Okay guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and finish the installation. You guys can go ahead and watch me. So we have finished with the hair. This is the look, and I am in love. Again, guys, you guys can purchase this hair at your local retails. Just go ahead and give them a call and ask them if they have the Bobbi Boss hair. Again, Bobbi Boss distributes hair nationwide, so you'll be able to find it at your store. I love the way these look, guys. And again, these are the 18-inch. And they're super soft. As you guys know, it took me about like 45 minutes to install them, and it's super easy and beginner friendly. Again, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time on Bobbi Boss YouTube channel.